Anyone can do work on YouTube, but the real fun is when you run a channel in the right niche with less effort and more profitability. Because looking at the current state of YouTube, you must have realized how important it is to work in a high RPM niche. That's why I've brought you 10 such faceless niches that are already trending and will boom in 2025. Their RPM will also be amazing and all of them will be faceless. You won't need any special skills for this, and the best part is that you can do all the work just from your mobile. For each niche, I'll also give examples of some channels and share analytics to show how profitable the niche can be. I'll keep giving you tips on creating content for each niche, and wherever you can take help from AI, I'll also tell you about the tools and methods. You just need to make sure that you work hard on it, because no matter how good or profitable the niche is, you'll only see growth if you work on it properly. Now, among all the niches I'm going to mention, it's possible that you already know about some of them, but I'll share a slightly different method for working on them. And yes, there's one niche among these that I'm personally working on myself. The very first niche is called influencer assess. These days, there are such big influencers and YouTubers that people want to know about their daily lives, their growth and personal things about them. But this person did the same thing in a completely different style. Every video on his channel gets hundreds of thousands, even millions of views. This channel is started just this year, and it has already received over 10 million views. He picked up MrBeast's lifestyle and took all the challenges that MrBeast has done on his channel, extracted them from MrBeast's podcast and live videos, added interesting clips from the original related videos, wrote a script and then does a voiceover. Now, because MrBeast has such a huge channel, he was able to cover a very large audience. If I show you his earnings now, he is earning at least $1,000. You can easily do the same thing as well. Follow any big YouTuber, learn about them, and now, thanks to AI, even voice is no longer a problem. Now, the second niche is called the movie explain niche. Don't skip after hearing this, there's a big twist coming. First, take a look at this channel. Every video here has views in the millions. If you paid attention, this is indeed a movie explain niche, but this person has done something quite different. Instead of regular movies, he started explaining anime movies, and just by looking at his subscriber count, you can tell how many people are interested in this type of video. Over 1 million subscribers, more than 300 million views. Now, some people might say that such channels aren't monetized or earn very little, so just take a look at this. He is earning anywhere from 1,400 to 22,000 every month. Now, take a look at a short clip yourself.
So, at the beginning of this part, we see Max on Earth where he says to Master Hong.
So what he did was slow down movie clips, add some screenshots, and then did a voiceover. You can do something similar, and yes, if you want, you can use AI voice for the narration. The third niche is called What If. First, look at its subscribers so far. It has only uploaded 19 videos, but it already has 0 subscribers and over 40 million views. Each of its videos has 2.4 million, 1.9 million, and even 3.5 million views. Now let me show you how these videos are created.
This question comes from Kim, who asked, what if there was a lake on the moon? What would it be like to swim in it?
There's a voiceover and some light editing. None of its videos are even longer than 5 minutes. Now, if we talk about the content, it usually conducts some kind of random thought experiment. For example, what would happen if all of us on Earth jumped at the same time? Or what would happen if everyone pointed a laser light at the moon at once? In 3 to 4 minutes, it shares some random things based on its own ideas. It has just used a trick because of which its views are extremely high. This is a niche that covers the entire audience, and it crafts its titles and thumbnails in such a way that you'll click without even thinking. For content, you can go to ChatGPT and generate a script by entering a prompt like this. What if I sleep for 30 hours in a single stretch? And further, after mentioning the Faceless channel, you can also specify the duration, and if you want, you can mention the language as well. Then use AI for the voiceover and Canva for the graphics. The fourth niche is called scary related stories. Take a look at this channel. All its videos have views in the millions, and just look at its subscribers yourself to see how interested people are in listening to scary stories. He takes some horror and scary stories from ChatGPT, generates a voiceover using AI, and uses some random night pictures in his videos, and his monthly earnings just blew my mind. If you want, you can make videos just like this too. Otherwise, a lot of people are also creating videos of this type. Now just come to ChatGPT and type the prompt, give me a H. A list of stories for YouTube shorts, just type that in Hindi on ChatGPT and it will write the script for you. Do it like this, then use Ideogram or Leonardo AI to generate related images and create your own video. The fifth niche is AI riddle and quiz. You already know how much fun there is in riddle and quiz, and this channel has taken advantage of exactly that. The videos are very simple first. Watch their videos. Their videos are really simple, so go and watch them first.
Canada.
Even though its videos are so simple, they have millions of views. There isn't much voiceover in the videos either. But if you want, you can make some changes and create AI content in your own way. Go to ChatGPT. Here type give me some mystery riddles with answers and generate them. Then after generating the voiceover with AI, generate images for each scene. Then create your own video. I am personally working on this niche and very soon I will upload a full course on how to create content for it. This niche is called True Crime. This person explains real crime stories on his channel, and as you can see, his channel gets amazing views, and with just 51 videos he has already reached 150,000 subscribers. He creates videos by picking up all these stories from platforms like Reddit and Quora. Now if you want, you can either take these stories directly or generate them using ChatGPT, and for every scene you can generate AI images and even use AI generated voice. By doing just this much, you too can easily earn at least $1,000. This niche is called self-improvement, where you can share how people can improve themselves. But this time you need to approach it a little differently, just like this person did. He uploaded only 12 videos and he has already reached 800,000 subscribers. You will be amazed when you see his earnings. All of his videos have a good number of views, but what's different about his videos? Take a look at his videos.
Random people get rich because they're in the right place at the right time. People get millions of dollars because of a lucky moment.
He creates such simple videos. In his videos, he uses random shapes and drawings from Canva to share his thoughts, and he creates his videos in very little time. You can also create a similar type of channel, and since self-improvement is an evergreen niche, there will never be a shortage of sponsorships or content. Now, the next niche is called cartoon recaps, but don't assume from the name that this is just a kid's niche. The earning in this will be very less. First, take a look at the channel's earnings. It's earning up to $100,000 a month. Now look at its main channel. It has uploaded 82 videos and is about to reach 400,000 subscribers. All its videos also have good views. In his videos, he shows cartoon clips and does voiceovers of their stories in his own style. If you have a talent for speaking, you can do the voiceover yourself, or you can also use AI. There is a lot of content in this niche as well, and it gets a lot of views. The name of the next niche is History with AI. Everyone is so interested in learning about history, and there are many channels available in this niche. One such channel is the AI Historian. With just 22 videos, it has achieved 300,000 subscribers. But its history content is about a foreign country. You should create videos about Indian history. You need to tell the stories and histories of all the great people from India's history. For content, you can use Google and ChatGPT. And for images, you can go to Leonardo AI to generate your own images. Even if you do all the work using AI, your channel will still grow very well because you are providing accurate knowledge. The name of the last niche in this video is AI Story. Now, if you search for stories on YouTube, you'll find a lot of videos, and most of them have good views. But there are very few people who are doing this work using AI. I found a channel that is entirely run by AI. All of its videos have really good views, and by uploading 90 videos, it has gained 200,000 subscribers. Watch one of its videos.
He was well known for miraculous healing powers. Everyone adored and respected him.
Its videos are very simple. There are 4 things in it, and all of them are made using AI. The script is generated by AI, then the voiceover is done by AI, after that the images are created by AI, and finally even the captions are generated by AI. And this channel is earning quite well too. If you want, you can also create similar videos, and I will soon be making a video on this story as well, explaining how you can run a faceless channel by generating such videos. Now, if you have any doubts about any niche, just comment right away. I will definitely reply, and I have already made videos on faceless channel ideas before as well. Check that out too. You might find some profitable niches there as well. And if you're creating content on mobile and are confused about which app is best for professional editing on mobile, then watch this video. And if you have any problems generating AI voice, then make sure to watch this video, because in it I have explained everything in detail about AI voice, which will be very useful for you. See you in the next video, so don't forget to watch it.